Thanks for checking in as we take a look at your extreme weather outlook here on this Tuesday. We're dealing with some record warmth in the Northwest. In fact, Seattle yesterday had its second warmest March temp ever in recorded history. It looks like we could be dealing with more record warmth in those particular areas. But as we slide through the end of the month, it does look like the nation will become more active once again. Unfortunately, not great news for that flooding in the central U.S. So here's a look at record highs from yesterday. Seattle again, 76 is the warmest temperature that we've had this early in the season. Again, the second warmest March temp ever. Eugene, Oregon, 76. Salem at 76, and for today, it looks like we're going to be quite a bit above average with some low to mid 70s through the Willamette Valley. 72 in Seattle, could see some additional records in those particular areas. We'll be at 85 in Phoenix, one of our warm spots across the nation. Nice to get back into the 40s in Minneapolis, but we're going to be even warmer as we head into the weekend. Not great news for that flood potential. Still a bit cooler than average along the eastern seaboard, but big changes there as we set into the end of the week. There's the end of the month, rather. As you can see, the 8 to 14-day temperature outlook keeps us warmer than average, but also wetter than average across much of the nation, especially in the eastern U.S. Again, with all of the warm air and the moisture that we had in the midsection of the nation, significant flooding late last week and into the weekend in Iowa and Nebraska. And again, we're going to be dealing with more flood concerns over the next several weeks. Here are all of the rivers that are in flood stage right now, some at major flood stage, and we're expecting that flood water to continue to rise in the Red River Valley. In fact, Fargo could see maybe a top 10 crest this year. This is how much precip we've had this March, and we still have a lot of snow on the ground, especially across the northern portions of the nation. But there's your precip over the next few days. Better chance of some 1/4 to 1/2 inch amounts in the central U.S. We'll, of course, keep you up to date on that Midwest flooding.